What does it take to make a difference?
A bit of hard work.
Commitment.
Community spirit.
Friends to talk to.
A place to go.
Kits to play in.
Financial support.
Whether it's for something really big
Or not so big.
it enables us to help others.
Together, we're changing lives and building futures for young people.
Cancer's hard to come to terms with, but this choir has given me a support group with a difference.
I feel I can be part of my community again, and I've made loads of new friends.
Doing this course has helped getting my dream back on track for me and my daughter.
I didn't think I could do anything, but now I'm going to college and I'm really excited.
Gardening has made me feel 20 years younger. I never thought I could do it again.
I've got my confidence back.
I came to join the club because I was lonely. I came to make friends, and now I'm here and I'm helping other people.
If you don't use it, you'll lose it. Balance games really help people with Parkinson's.
We're proud to support residents, enabling Londoners to eat more healthily.
When you're going through the hardest time of your life, you need all the support you can get.
I used to do the bare minimum in life. Playing street football changed my focus and inspired me to do other things.
We've restored a fabulous historic building here, and it's put the heart back into the community.
We couldn't do any of this
Without the support of the big lottery fund.
Changing lives.
Where it's really needed.
Improving our communities.
In England. Northern Ireland.
Scotland.
Your lottery funding.
Your great ideas.
Working together.
To make a big difference.
To make a big difference.
To make a big difference.
to make a big difference.